The Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA are still conducting its study on the proposal of the Department of Transportation to place an exclusive motorcycle lane in EDSA. It is expected to be submitted to the DOTR next month. The MMDA expects that the dedicated motorcycle lane will help reduce traffic congestion in Metro Manila. But the agency believes that it will be more effective if there is a presence of no contact apprehension policy or NCAP.
Nagawa naman natin yan sa Commonwealth at nakita natin yung magandang epekto. Although hindi pa siya fully na-implement dahil nga wala tayong NCAP sa ngayon na supposedly yan ang magre-regulate talaga.
The NCAP is still under temporary restraining order from the Supreme Court since 2022. Meanwhile, the MMDA said among their considerations when motorcycle lane is placed in EDSA is to restrict them from using flyover and underpass. Instead, motorcycle will pass through the service roads.
Kasama po sa pinag-aaralan namin yan na kung bibigyan natin ng motorcycle lane, hindi na po sila papayagang dumaan sa overpass at underpass. So, diretso po sila. In terms of pag-iimbudo, makakatulong yan kasi mababawasan.
To some riders, they agree to the idea on placing the motorcycle lane in EDSA. However, they doubt its strict implementation. They expect private vehicles will intrude to their lane.
Palagay ko dapat kasi minsan nawawalan kami ng pwesto eh. Kaya yung iba sumisingit-singit minsan pupunta sa bike lane. Kung may motorcycling kami parang katulad sa Commonwealth, mas okay, mas yung takbo namin dire-diretso lang.
Hindi may iwasan. Kahit ganun yung mangyari siguro.
Alin ang di maiwasan?
Ngayon mapagsingit-singit sa mga sasakyan pa rin kahit maglagay ng motor link kung sakali.
Dahil?
Napakadami motorista tsaka traffic dito sa atin talaga sa Pilipinas.
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.